Hello, my name is Glito. Today I'd like to teach you how to play Honesty by Billy Joel. So first I'm going to explain the chords, and later I'm going to say, explain the introduction part I just played, and yeah, later I will just sing a song so that you can get how it goes. So first I'm going to explain the chords. There are 17 chords in this song. There are too many, way too much chords. But anyway, I'm going to explain it one by one. The first chord you need to know is A. With your point finger on the first fret of the third string, with the middle finger on the second fret of the top string. That's A. The next chord is A minor. With your middle finger on the second fret of the top string. That's A minor. The next chord is B. A little bit tricky, but bar the second fret. Put your finger over the top, second fret, and with your middle finger on the third fret of the third string, and with your ring finger on the fourth fret of the top string. B. It should sound like this, but if you didn't press your second fret hard enough, it will be like this. So just put more power on your point finger and play it nicely. Okay, so the next chord is B7. Just remove the ring finger and it's gonna be B7. The next chord is B7 sus4, so that's this one. So bar the second fret, and with your ring finger on the fourth fret of the third string. Yeah, that's B7 suspended 4. The next chord is B minor. Bar the second fret, and with your ring finger on the fourth fret of the top string. That's B minor. The next chord is B minor 7. Just remove everything, just bar the second fret, and that's B minor 7. And the next chord is C. It's getting easier. With your ring finger on the middle finger on the third fret of the first string, so that's C. And the next chord is C major 7, with your middle finger on the second fret of the first string. So that's C major 7. The next chord is D. With your point finger on the top string of the second fret, and with your middle finger on the second fret of the third string, and with your ring finger on the second fret of the second string. So that's D. And the next chord is D7. With your point finger on the second fret of the top string, and with your middle finger on the second fret of the second string. That's D7. The next chord is E minor. With your point finger on the first string of the second fret, and with your middle finger on the third fret of the second string, and with your ring finger on the fourth fret of the third string. That's E minor. The next chord is E minor 7. With your point finger on the second fret of the third string, and with your middle finger on the second fret of the first string. So that's E minor 7. Yeah. So the next chord is a little bit tricky, and I think it's one of the most difficult chords in this song. F#7. So with a point finger on the second fret of the second string, and with your middle finger on the third fret of the fourth string, so top string, and with your ring finger on the fourth fret of the third string, and with your pinky on the fourth fret of the first string. So that's C#7. That's hard. The next chord is F#9. This is a little bit easier. So bar the first fret, and with your middle finger on the second fret of the second string. That's F sharp at 9. The next chord is F sharp minor 7. So this is the second hardest of the song. This one. So basically, this is quite jazzy chord. So if you want to learn jazz, you're going to meet this chord a lot. By the way, first put your point finger on the first fret of the top string, and with your middle finger on the first fret of the second string, and with your middle finger on the third fret of the third string, and with your pinky on the third fret of the first string. So that's F sharp minor 7. Yeah, okay, F sharp minor 7. The last chord, the very last chord is G. It's easy. Actually, I put the chords in alphabetical order, so yeah. Anyway, this is the last chord. With a point finger on the second fret of the third string, and with your middle finger on the second fret of the first string, and with your ring finger on the third fret of the second string. So that's the all chords you need to know. Now I'm going to explain how to play the introduction part. It goes like this. So basically, it's quite easy actually. So first chord is G, and play top 2 strings, and pick the second string, then play top 3 string again, then put your pinky on the first string of the 5th fret, then play like this, so bar the 3rd fret, and just leave the pinky on the first string of the 5th fret. So up to here, top 2 string, second string, play top 3 strings, then this chord, then 6th fret of the first string, then this chord D7. So bar the 2nd fret and put your middle finger on the 3rd fret of the first string. So then 2nd fret of the first string, then G, then start. If you search for tenderness, blah blah blah. So that's how it goes. And now I'm going to explain the strumming pattern of the song. So as an example, I'm going to use G. So this is the pattern. So down, 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 up. So this is one set. So down, down, like this. So just repeat. Down, 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 up. Again and again, and until you are comfortable with playing it. And yeah, practice basically. Anyway, that's all I have for you today. Here is my singing part. If you search for tenderness, it isn't hard to find. You can have the love you need to live. If you look for truthfulness, you might just as well be blind. He always seems to be so hard to give. Honesty, such a lonely word. Everyone is so untrue. Honesty is hardly ever heard, and mostly what I need from you. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And I'm going to see you in the next video. Bye bye.